And welcome back to our Christmas countdown quilt-along. It's December 10 and we're working on this middle part of his jacket. I'm going to come down here with some echoes that are parallel to that side, and then at this point they're straight and then they start curving the other way. So that's what I call melding, when you have to get from one shape to another and make it gradually change as we go across. And for this bottom section here, I think I'm just going to do some matchstick verticals that go with that curve just that little bit. So really close together. There we go, looking good. Thanks very much. I shall see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.